Hey brother, what's up? Okay, so I know this is gonna be late. It's like 11:19 right here, but there's just one issue that was just driving me crazy, which is the server-side validation, and I just don't know how to go about it. So I kind of gave up a little bit, but at least want to get some credit. So I'm just gonna put up what I can. So just gonna pull up that, add a category. And okay, oh yeah. Well, we got client side. Let me just a local, and we're good. And yeah, I'll put in cake just to show you that I really don't know. All right, well, what happened? It's cake. I'm not sure how to what I'm validating for the new category, so I'm just completely lost on that. I'm not gonna lie. All right, and here, all right, validate that. We're good. Perfect. We'll make this a potato, and don't really need to add anything, I guess, but like erratic magic. Hit add product, and it's gonna give us that. So client side is fine. We're gonna hit no validate, and yep, I get that back. And we still have this returning to us because of the PHP, and this too stayed the same in potato, even though it had product and it still failed. But yeah, that's all I got. You have a good night, brother. Good night.